Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am going to solve this simple circuit with the help of KVL. There are various ways to solve this circuit as well, but I am going to solve with KVL. First step is to mark the loops in current direction. I am going to solve for V1, V2 and I, and the direction of current is from lower potential to higher potential. That is from 32 volts to minus 8 volts. Now here is a single loop and we will get a single KVL equation. We will get each loop equation with the help of this rule. We will begin with A and ends at A as well. So we start writing KVL equation from here. Minus 32, this is the first voltage source. Then R1, its voltage is plus V1. Then the next element is V2 and its voltage is minus 8, and in the last we will get minus V2, and this is the only loop equation. Now for the direction of current in V2 is opposite. We assume current flows from higher potential to lower potential, but this is the loop current which flows from lower to higher potential. Now solve for unknown variables. Here are three unknown variables, V1, V2 and I. So let's solve. Substitute V1 and V2. Simply we get I is equal to 4 ampere. It is a simple algebra and you can easily solve it. After getting I, we will evaluate V1 and V2. So multisim live, and I am going to analyze the circuit in multisim live. And first of all, I am going to place a current to check the value of current in this loop. Here is the current probe and I simulate it. Ignore the error message, and this is 4 ampere. I hope you can see the value of current. Now I will remove it and I will place a voltage probe. Here is the positive and here is the negative terminal of the probe. Again simulate and here. Now I hope you can see this 16 volt here. Now I am going to place probe here and the negative probe here, and again simulate the circuit minus 8. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.